going to solve this equation using hands-on equations. If you've watched any of my other videos on hands-on equations, you know that the hands-on equations program lets reds be positive, and I have just decided that I'm going to go out on my own here and let my green numbers be positive because that bothers me so much. So when I build this equation, I'm going to build negative 2x plus 17 on this side of the balance. Whites are going to be negative, so negative 2x and then plus 17. 10 is the highest number they have on the cube, so you have to build 17 with a 10 and a 7. So this is negative 2x plus 17. On the right-hand side, I have 3x plus 2. The blue pawns represent positive x's, so that's positive 3x, and that's plus 2. Now, the rules when you're using hands-on equations are that you can either take equal amounts from each side of the balance, or you can add equal amounts to each side of the balance. Now, if I look for equal pieces to remove, I can't remove any of my x's or my negative x's because I don't have equal pieces on each side. I can, however, remove 2 from each side. And so when I take this 2 off, I have to take 2 from this side, which is going to lower this to a 5. Okay, so let's record what I've done so far there. I removed 2 from this side, and I removed 2 from this side. So now I have negative 2x, I have plus 15. And on the right-hand side of the equal sign, I have positive 3x. Now, earlier I said because these are not equal pieces, I cannot remove anything from both sides. The other move I'm allowed to make is to add something equal to both sides. So what I can do is I can add a positive 2x to both sides. Now, what will happen here is these positive 2x's will zero out these negative 2x's. This creates 0 pairs, so those will go away. And that got rid of all my x's on my left-hand side of my equation. So let's record what I did there. I added 2x to each side. And now I have 15 over here. And on this side, I have 5 x's. So at this point, I know that all of these are equal in value, and I have a 15 over here. So if I wanted to take my 15 and divide it among these pawns equally, then I would divide that 15 by 5, and each of these pawns would have a value of 3. And so that's my last step, to divide by 5 on each side to find the value of each pawn, and each pawn is equal to 3. If you wanted to show that, I guess you could show that a pawn is equal to 3.